Alright, here you go. It's a HVDC tea kettle. It's basically a wand that's I bought off of, I think it was amazingone.com. It's a high voltage detector. You hold this side in your hand. This side you wave around in the air and you pick up a field, and the field's detected by the little NE2 bulb that's on the inside of that acrylic tube. Looks like it's a aluminized duct tape, or some kind of aluminized tape on both sides to bring it on the outside and bring the conduction across the bottom. See, there's a strip there which is touching the bottom positive electrode. The other side then has a small gap introduced down there. See it right there? Let's see. Kind of see it's extra bright. There's a little gap in there, so just check it out. I'll turn the voltage on. You can hear my tea kettle. And see the light on the NE2. It's on the negative side, not the positive side, oddly enough, or curiously enough. Okay, here it goes. You're going to hear it wind up. It always surprises me when it hits that resonant point. It adjusts differently because of